Looking to breathe new life into your Dell Optiplex or Vostro desktop? Today, we're diving into the LXun upgraded AC260EBS-00 power supply, a potential replacement for a range of Dell models. This PSU is designed as a drop-in replacement for several Optiplex and Vostro systems, specifically the 3,000 metric tons, 5,000 metric tons, 7,000 metric tons, 3710, 3910, and T3660. It also covers XPS 8950 and some Inspiron models. The LXun AC260EBS-00 boasts compatibility with a host of Dell part numbers, including 0NCM9, HVW4Y, 5FK7C, and 7JJJF. This makes it a versatile option if you're dealing with a failed or underpowered PSU in your Dell machine. The unit features the essential 8-pin, 4-pin, and additional 4-pin connectors needed for these systems. The power ratings are as follows. AC input of 100-240V at 50 to 60 Hz, with a DC output of plus 12 VA at 18A and plus 12 VB at 16A, reaching a max of 18A. In standby mode, it offers plus 12 VA1 at 1.5A and plus 12 VB at 3.3, maxing out at 3.3A. It's a 260W power supply, so it should handle most standard configurations for the supported Dell models. Before purchasing, double-check the model and part numbers to ensure compatibility. While this PSU is designed to fit a variety of Dell systems, it's always best to confirm that the connectors and power requirements match your specific machine. LXun also provides a 60-day return window and a 1-year warranty, offering some peace of mind with your purchase. If you're looking for a replacement power supply for your Dell Optiplex or Vostro, the LXun AC260EBS-00 is worth considering. Just make sure to verify compatibility before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.